guys and gals? Brad here, LaytonSportsCards ripping. This is 2 boxes of Select Hybrid, 1 box of Tribute Baseball, all for Ryan S. Good luck, Ryan. Good luck. To 99, Juan Soto. Jersey. To 99, Tatis Jr. Stamp of approval jersey. Not bad. Freddie Freeman base. Kershaw. Auto to 99, Rhys Hoskins. Nice Hoskins auto, Ryan. Jacob deGrom base. Lou Gehrig. Auto, orange to 25, JD Martinez. That's not bad. Nice JD auto. 9 of 25 there. Paul Goldschmidt base. Chipper Jones. Auto, Paul DeYoung to 199. Not bad on the DeYoung auto on card. Paul DeYoung base. Chris Davis. Dual jersey to 25, Kyle Schwarber. Nice orange dual jersey, game used. Hoskins base. And last pack of tribute here, man. Good luck, Ryan. Ramon Laureano. Triple jersey, purple to 50, Mookie Betts. Mookie. There you go. And Chris Bryant base. Okay. Move on. Select hybrid. Good luck, Ryan. Got 2 of these bad boys. Silver Vucevic. Courtside. Not bad. Four of 10. Gold. RPA Ignas Brazdeikis. Not bad. Sick gold RPA. Not bad there, man. Silver rookie Ty Jerome. Grant Williams. Norvell. More base. Noel. Dylan Windler. Silver Derrick Rose. Red Blake Griffin to 49. Nasir, Bruno. Silver Ben Simmons. Premier level. And base. Okay. 1 more box, Ryan. Good luck, man. That was a pretty cool RPA in there. Not bad at all. John Morant base. Premier. Nope. Concourse. I'm sorry. Nasir. Silver. Anthony Davis. Gold courtside choice. DeMar DeRozan. That's 2 of 10. There you go, man. Another gold. Gold courtside DeMar DeRozan. And that one's pretty nice. Silver, DeAndre Hunter rookie. Blue, Derek Rose. Detroit /25, not bad. Silver rookie, Jarrett Culver. Red /49, Kyle Kuzma. Last one. Good luck, buddy. Silver, Kevin Love. Prism Choice, and Base. There you go, man. That does it for your 3 boxes, Ryan. Get them right out to you, bud. Thank you.